There was once a poor farmer who had two pots. Every day he would fill them with water from the river and carry them back to his house. One pot was perfect, while the other had a crack in it, causing it to leak water as the farmer walked. For 2 years, the farmer made this journey every day. The perfect pot always delivered a full load of water, while the cracked pot only delivered half its load. One day, the cracked pot, feeling ashamed of its imperfection, spoke up. "I am so sorry, master. I am useless. I cannot carry the full load of water. I am broken and flawed." The farmer smiled and said, "Do you see the flowers along the path?" The pot looked and saw that, along the side of the road, beautiful flowers grew in the places where the water from the crack had spilled. The farmer continued, "I knew you had a crack, so I planted seeds along your side of the path. Every day, as you walked, you watered the flowers. Without you, they would never have bloomed." The pot was astonished. It had been focusing on its flaws and feeling useless, but it had been part of something beautiful all along. Moral: we all have imperfections, but they do not define our worth. Embrace your flaws, for they may be the source of something wonderful. Every part of you, even what you consider broken, has a purpose.